Hey guys, welcome to ehowtomakearesume.com. This is a reading of Learn How to Create an Outstanding Functional Resume. Functional Resume Guide. Your typical resume, a chronological resume, will comprise of a list of your achievements and your work history in a chronological order. In certain situations, you may be better off listing your skills and accomplishments in order of importance. This is called a functional resume. So should I use a functional resume? If you have had multiple jobs and thus a wide range of skills, then a functional resume is for you. Or changing your career, for example, military to civilian. If you have had gaps in your work history, such as raising a family, or do not want to show the length of your employment. Or if you are a college student or have just left education, then this is the perfect resume for you. So what should you include in your resume? Well, the main point of this type of resume is to highlight skills and accomplishments that are relevant for the job you are applying for. For example, say you are a head chef and now wanted to be an office manager. You should clearly show that you can work under pressure, that you can handle responsibilities, and that you can meet deadlines. Maybe at some other time you also organize other head chefs. Basically, anything that will help you get the job needs to be put on the resume. Do not put that you can cook Chinese food really well. This might help at lunchtime, but is not a helpful function for your new career. The keyword is for a functional resume is transferable skills. The format for this resume should be as following. Brainstorm. List any skills and accomplishments. For example, volunteer experience, academic background, on-job training, skills like computer skills, clubs, hobbies, etc. Organize. For example, put everything relevant with computers in one. Categorize on the resume. Instead of a job section, have sections for each skill or experience you have. For example, you could have education skills, computer skills, business skills section, and more. Focus on your accomplishments and write down any specific achievements. Summary. Add this at the beginning. It is a concise version of your categorize section. The employer will read this part first and is your chance to impress. Mention your best achievement and skill set here. Think about what you can offer the company. Chronological work history. Put this at the end. Simple one-line descriptions, company name and job title. You can also add the years if you feel comfortable doing so. So is a functional resume right for me? Here are some pros and cons. Pros. It highlights relevant skills. Will make sense out of an irregular career. And it is very helpful for graduates and people changing careers. Cons. Certain employers are more interested in levels of responsibility in organizations where you worked. These resumes can look like you have something to hide. Conclusion. For certain situations, a functional resume can be ideal. It is a different layout for your typical resume, but the basic principles apply. You have to show what would be perfect employee with a relevant skill set. Remember about transferable skills, that is the key for this type of resume. This was a reading from ehowtomakearesume.com. Check us out again for more article readings.